Who are we on our way to see?
Bernard?
Yeah, and who is Bernard?
Somebody from Crafty Cupboard who's the oldest in Crafty Cupboard.
Yeah, and why do we like Bernard?
Because he's funny.
Yeah, he's funny, isn't he?
And he gives us a wagon wheel.
Oh. What makes your friendship with Bernard different to your friends, perhaps?
Well, he just likes chatting. He doesn't run around in the yard and stuff. He doesn't go to school. He stays in his house for lockdown. And we used to come there a lot to drop off his food thingies.
Been quite a few weeks now, isn't it, for you girls, because you've been in school. So are you excited about seeing Bernard?
Yeah!
Lovely. Right, let's get off then, is it? Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon.
Gone delivery.
Oh. You're very welcome.
Go step with the pastry. We got mints, snickers, and refreshers, and drumsticks, and wagon wheel.
Whoa! So you have an unexpected friendship with a 5-year-old and an 8-year-old.
Who are crazy?
How is that? Who are crazy? How is that?
That's wonderful. I feel so elated that they should even consider me as a friend.
No.
I'm far too old to be looked after.
You think Bernard's funny, don't you?
Bye.
Bye. Nice to see you. See you now.